Okay, back to love of cars. Today we're going to be doing the stereo. So we're going to go through here, through this grommet here, push the power lead through there, and then it's going to come through to this area here, which is where that's coming out of, and then we'll feed it along here to the boot. I'll put a screwdriver on so it's through. It'll be up there somewhere. Yeah, I've got it. Just got to undo that off the. Got that out now, so I'm just going to feed this all the way along to the boot now, feeding along here all the way out there, and then next stage we will plug in to the back of the stereo these audio leads, and they will go from here to the boot as well, and then we use some clips to fasten them together. I've got the stereo there, and I've got a massive sub in the boot, or in the back there. It's going to go in the boot into the actual wheel well. So that'll be the next job. But let's get this feeding along and get the audio leads tucked up into there. At the moment, this is what I'm spraying. I wanted this colour, so that's had one coat. It's slowly going to build up to that, hopefully. Hope it doesn't change colour too much. So that's the next job. Fed the main power lead there and the audio leads through to the boot. Next job is to get this amp wired up, and then we can test it with this sub here first. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've plugged the stereo into the head unit, all the wires into the head unit there, and then I've fed it all around. I've put the ground here up into that corner there. The remote, which goes back to the stereo, is going down the driver's side, and then that's your main power coming in. These are your audios, they go in there, and plus and minus go into your sub. So then if we come around to the front of the car, as it's only a small amp, we can get away with using this. If I upgrade to that bigger speaker and do all the audio install, then obviously we'll have to change this lead to a thicker one and maybe put a bigger sort of fuse on there. So I'm just clip this with this, using this tool, and now we're going to put a clip on there and fix it to the battery, and then we should be all ready to test it.